In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of the very best way to promote your TikTok account in Nigeria or in any country that you're watching me from. This video is actually going to help you, so make sure you drop any question you have below concerning TikTok growth, going viral, TikTok business, whatever. Just drop it in the comment section right now. Subscribe and turn on that bell notification icon. Okay, even though I teach you ways you can be able to promote your TikTok videos or TikTok account to actually go viral, build your business, it is important that you as well focus on creating quality content. Creating quality content will actually give you a boost, an organic kind of growth. TikTok recognizing you for the type of content you post. Imagine you create good content and you get over 500,000 views, just like I got on my account. I'm going to show you on the screen right now. This is not an advertising. I've been able to get over 500,000 views, 160 something thousand views by creating good content that actually influence people emotionally, creating value, and be able to get recognized by TikTok on the type of videos you create. So this will make it easier for you to go viral even though you are promoting your account. Let's get straight into it. The next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to open my TikTok application. I'm going to go to the profile. Now you can see my original one of my TikTok accounts, which I'm telling you about, has over 14,000 followers. Do you understand? These are the 500,000 views there. So I'm just going to use this profile, which is iOS marketing, and make sure you follow this profile. Do you understand? So the next thing I'm going to do right here, you can see that I have some videos that are performing well right here already organically. Do you understand? Okay, showing how I made 1 million naira a month. You can drop comments if you want to discover how to do that as well. You understand? So what we are going to do right now, we are going to click on this 3 dash button right here, and we are going to go to TikTok Studio. Now once we go to TikTok Studio, the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on promote. Okay, now once I click on promote, then the next thing you're going to see right here is you're going to see choose your goals. You're going to see choose your goals. Now under this choose your goal, you're going to see something like boost account, get sales, get lead. Any form of objective you want to go for, maybe you want to boost your TikTok profile to get sales, everything is just promoting your TikTok profile because you're actually promoting it. Do you understand? So you're going to see under this boost account, you're going to see more video views, more followers, more profile views. Let's say maybe for instance, we want to get more video views, of course. Do you understand? So that you can get people to see your videos. Okay, so it is selected already, which is that pink dot stuff that you're seeing. So I'm going to see something like select your content. So once I click on that one, now listen to me very carefully. I have some content. All this content that are here are getting views organically. Do you understand? Okay, they got the views organically, which I'm just going to promote right now. So you're going to see that there are some content here already. So it is advisable for you to use a content that is already doing well organically before. That's why I told you before, that is, you are supposed to have been posting videos before, and when you see some certain videos doing well, those are the videos you want to promote, or you create a video like that and promote it. So I'm just going to hit on this one. This one have over 4,000 views, 3,321 likes, 68 comments. So I'm going to click on promote and select the video of how I made 1 million naira per month, showing people that. So once you do that, then the next thing you're going to see choose the promotional pack. It will be very, very foolish for anyone to actually choose this promotional pack that is here. Why? Because if you don't have over 5,000 followers on TikTok already, TikTok does not know your account, or you got your followers through tap or all this, TikTok influencer life. Do you understand? TikTok does not know who you are. It does not know the type of content you have. Do you understand? So you just telling TikTok to just promote it to anybody is foolish and unwise. Do you understand? Sorry to say that. So the next thing you want to do, you want to click on customize. Okay, once you click on customize, then the next thing you want to do is click on custom. Once you click on custom, then on the gender, you want to select if your content is meant for female, or your product or whatever, click on female. If it's for male, click on male. So as for my own thing, is for both. Okay, and age, don't choose 13 to 17, or there are some people that are not even up to 18. They will come on TikTok and say they are 18. So it's best to just select between 25 to 34 upward, or 25 to 44. Do you understand? These are the people. So for the interest, select an interest that is relatable to the type of content you post. So if you are posting about entertainment, you know where, news and entertainment, you know where to post. So I'm just going to click on business service because I'm into digital marketing, you know, advertising. So I offer these business services. I'm going to click on save. So once you click on save, then you're going to see it being saved. You are going to see this budget. So how much do you want to be spending per day? You can decide to use this slider, do you understand, to be going back and forth, or click on that pencil icon beside that per day, and you can decide to edit it, clear it off, and maybe 2,000. You want to put 2,000 naira or $2 if that is your currency. Do you understand? Or you can decide to put 1,000 naira. Do you understand? Depending on how you want to spend. So for my own, I'm just going to put 5,000 naira daily. Do you understand? Confirm. Then the duration, you want to be able to slide. If you want 2 days, you put it in 2 days. If you want 1 day, you put it in 1 day. If you want to spend 5,000 naira per day, do you understand, for, you know, for just 7 days, you are going to see the price getting increased. So I'm just going to select 1 day. Do you understand? And once I do that, then the next thing you want to click on pay. Now listen, if you are using iPhone, you should know that you should have a card added into your iCloud account. That is your iCloud Apple account that is in your phone. So you just go to your phone settings, add a card to that place. If you need help in that, just drop comment below, drop it below. I will tell you how to get in touch with me. Do you understand? So that we can be able to solve that. Add a card that can work, that can actually make payments into that place. If you're using Google account, you should have added a card to your Google account already. Do you understand? So the card by which you guys use in buying gifts for Pella or all these kind of people is the same card that you can use. You need help, chat this number on the screen, 09039737356, and I will be able to help you with anything you want. Do you understand? It might be for free and I might charge. Thank you.